Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into all things beauty with a keen eye for detail. Have you ever struggled to find a liquid lip that's both bold in color yet comfortable to wear all day? Well, if you're on the lookout for a lip product that promises just that, let me introduce you to the Rimmel Stay Satin Liquid Lip in the shade Yuppie. Rimmel, known for its innovative beauty products, has created a liquid lipstick that combines high pigment intensity with a smooth satin finish. This specific product claims to offer all-day wear with a non-sticky formula, ensuring comfort from morning to night. But does it live up to these promises? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the key features of the Rimmel Stay Satin Liquid Lip. The formula is designed to glide on effortlessly thanks to the precise applicator that makes it super easy to define your lips without a mess. The texture is lightweight, providing a satin finish that's not too matte but not overly glossy either, just the right balance. The color payoff is intense, delivering high pigment shades that truly stand out. Now for the real-world testing. I've worn this liquid lip through a busy day, and I can tell you, comfort was definitely a top priority in this formula. It doesn't dry out my lips, which is something I look for in long-wear lip products. The non-sticky feel is exactly as promised. I didn't experience any feathering or discomfort as the day wore on, which is always a bonus. But how about the actual wear time? The product holds up well through light snacking, drinking, and even a cup of coffee. It lasts longer than some other liquid lipsticks I've tried, though you might need a touch-up after a full meal. That being said, the color doesn't fade unevenly, which is a major plus. As for the pros, the texture is definitely a standout. It's comfortable on the lips and doesn't feel heavy, making it great for those who want bold lips without the tight feeling some matte formulas can leave behind. The precise applicator is also a win. No need for a lip liner unless you're really looking for that sharp definition. And the color payoff? Bold, vibrant, and long-lasting. On the flip side, one potential downside could be the shade range. While Yuppie is a stunning color, I would love to see more options for different undertones and more bold, diverse colors in future collections. Also, while the product is generally long-lasting, it may require a touch-up after a more substantial meal. Is this product worth the price? It definitely is if you're looking for a comfortable, everyday liquid lip that gives you rich, high-pigment color without sacrificing comfort. For its price point, it performs well above average. If you're on the hunt for a luxurious-feeling liquid lipstick without the luxury price tag, the Rimmel Stay Satin Liquid Lip is a great option. Now, if you're considering alternatives, there are plenty of liquid lips out there that offer a similar satin finish, but might be priced a little higher or lower. If you're looking for something with a more matte finish, you could check out brands like Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. While that's a different formula, it offers similar longevity and intensity at a comparable price. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and practical, making it easy to carry around in your bag without worrying about leaks. The product's longevity, in terms of both its wear time and its shelf life, seems solid. No separation or change in texture after a few weeks of use. If you've ever reached out to Rimmel for customer support, they're generally responsive and helpful. They've built a solid reputation for standing behind their products, which adds to the overall confidence you can have when purchasing. To sum it all up, the Rimmel Stay Satin Liquid Lip in Yuppie offers great color, comfort, and a non-sticky finish that holds up well throughout the day. It's a fantastic option for anyone who wants bold color without compromising on comfort. While the shade range could expand, the overall performance makes it a worthy addition to any makeup collection. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.